So today is Wednesday. So workout tayo ng shoulder. So for exercise sa shoulder. So tuturo ko sa inyo mga workout. So this is Coach Marski. So freelance trainer. So tuturo ko. So umpisa na natin. Shoulder press. Yan yung unang workout ko guys, seated shoulder press. So 15 pounds, then 12 reps, 3 sets. So ang target muscle is sa front ng shoulder. And so next workout is pull pace. And so ang target nito is sa delts pa rin. So 3 sets, 12 reps repetition. So panoorin nyo itong video ito guys. So marami kayo matuto. So yun, tapos na guys, yung full face. Yan. Target mo is sa shoulder. So next workout is yung dumbbell front triceps. Ang target nito is sa pinaka-front ating delts. So 12 reps, 3 sets. Ating workout sa dumbbell front raises. So next workout is yung side raises sa dumbbell. Yan ito is sa shoulder ng ating lateral. And so 3 sets, then 12 reps. So umagana lang guys. So 10 pounds. Make sure na yung medyo nakikita ng uniform ng ating shoulder. So, mag-usap nito. guys yung workout natin sa shoulder. Basic workout para sa ating shoulder. So, thank you.